Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today we're going to be opening up 2 more boxes of Pixar. A few people from the first week have not contacted me. A few winners still haven't contacted me, so make sure you do. I just drew the second people, or the second set of winners for last week, so yeah, make sure you comment and subscribe so you will be entered into this week's giveaway. And there was only, I believe, 12 people that entered last week, so you have pretty much a 50-50 chance of winning if you just comment and subscribe down below, so make sure you get on it. But this Pixar box is giving me problems. If you need some cards, feel free to go to my website. I knocked them down a lot, so they are a lot cheaper. I believe that the boxes are only $100 now. These are not cheap cards, so yeah. But yeah, the link down below, plushgamesandmore.com. Whoa, that's weird. I got 2 of these. Huh, first time I saw that. And every week I'll be giving away cards. I have Starbucks gift cards. I have art boards to give away. I mean, I have so much stuff to give away. So 5 lucky winners every week will win something. And if you don't comment and subscribe, you can't win. Sorry. If you're watching on TikTok, come over to YouTube and comment and subscribe, and you can be a winner too. We've had 10 winners so far, and yeah, it's been a great time. How do you guys like my new trading card mat? There's free hugs for everybody. Let's get into this. We have 20 packs to open, and I am not doing it right. I am fighting with the first pack. Here we go. We have Inside Out and Lotso. It says, crying helps me slow down and obsess over the weight of life's problems. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying these. I see a lot more watchers lately, so hopefully you guys are enjoying it. We have Carl, Checklist, and Ham. We have about the same amount of people that watch me on TikTok that watch me on YouTube, so I'd say about 200 to 300 people every video watch. So thank you guys, appreciate it. Guys or girls, whatever. But we only have a few people that comment, so if you like Starbucks, if you like art, if you like these cards, makes no sense that you're not commenting and subscribing, getting some of the free stuff that I'm giving away. Woody and Maymay. It's free. There's no reason for it. But hey, you just want to hang out, that's fine with me too. Got Aliens and Woody. Yeah, I believe 3 people from the first giveaway haven't contacted me. So yeah, get on it. I mean, the grand prize was film sale and a $25 gift card to Starbucks. So I mean, yeah, the first and second place winner haven't contacted me, and the second place I believe was the art board. So make sure you DM me and collect some stuff. Come on. This one wants to give me problems. Hopefully it's a gold card. Nope. We have the Claw and Joe. We haven't had a winter box in a little while. Since week 1, so hopefully we'll at least pull a gold card, or maybe one of the embroidered patch cards. Those are awesome. So I'd love to show you those. I'm not sure if I ever showed you a patch card. If you sit on a shelf for the rest of your life, you'll never find out. These are the movie quote cards. Yeah, so we get a patch or something interesting, or we still have a chance for a gold in here. Joy and Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head. Come on. Let's go. Oh, we have a Forky and a Hank. Forky Hank. Hanky Forky. Come on. Woody and Alazzo. If you guys know of any other new sets that are coming out and want me to open 1,000,000 of them like I'm doing here, let me know. And I'll consider it if I really like the quality. I really like the quality of these because they're really thick. You can see the thickness on these cards. They're not cheap like the Pokemon cards and other cards that I've got in the past. So yeah, I'm super happy with these, and I love the film cell and the 3D art on these guys. So oh, we got another lenticular Mama Coco. And we got the Turning Red family. Family? I don't know. I've never watched Turning Red, so I don't know what it is. Jesse and Hector. I do have sets at my website too. PlushGamesAndMore.com. I have the full set of Toy Story up there. A whole bunch of different sets if you're interested in just owning the set instead of buying a box. But I have the boxes super cheap. People sell them for up to like $150, but I'm selling them for $100. Then we got the set, Buzz and Woody. All right, let's see what good stuff that we have. We got a patch. Look at that. I don't think I have a Buzz patch. That is sweet. That's an embroidered patch right there. Let's catch the number on this. It is 27 out of 166. See if you can see it. I'll put the light on it. There you go. That is a sweet patch. And let's see what this guy is. Oh, and we have an Incredibles 3D. Let's take him out. Let's check him out closer. Since I have a few minutes left, there's a maximum on TikTok of 10 minutes, so I make sure to watch the timer. So that's why you see me sometimes rush, and sometimes I can slow down a little bit. And let me show you up close in the patch. Look at that. That is awesome. I want to feel it, but I don't want to feel it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe so you can win some good prizes. Don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.